Okay, so with the help of my assistant, hello, we're going to remove that, replace it with that, but may I just show you the link pipe? Look at that. So we will turn it on and give you an idea of the sound of that one, and we'll do a comparison with the sound of that one. So you can either skip to the very end when you'll see the difference in the tone and the sound of the pipe, or you can watch me being a buffoon and trying to change an exhaust. Maybe I should have put a little bit of something on this to start with, but I didn't. Oh, it's not too bad. 12mm socket on this one. That's just not too bad. That'll soon be off. That's loose enough. 14mm on the back, sorry. 14mm on the back of the hanger. I'll just give that a quick twizzle. Oh, hello. Oh, there he goes. Bit tight. Come on, you. I'm hoping I don't got to take all that heat protection. Oh, there we go. Right, well, it had me worried for a little bit because it wouldn't fit over this section. So the original gasket has to come off. So I've given that a bit of a clean. It might not look like a bit of a clean, but a lot more came off than's left. So we're left with that. Now, let's get on to fitting this fella. It's very soft. I don't know what it's made of. Nice. Right, let's get that in first. Hello. Ever want to help? Maybe I should put that on afterwards. Oh, right, there you go. So that's how it's going to hang on the bike. Just going to tighten that one, tighten that one, and then give a lovely exhaust hanger there, and then tighten the back of that one. Right, last but not least, can't be the dreaded 10mm, can it? Oh yeah, certainly can. Right, let's do that way so you can't.